Morning everyone, so I'm up the allotment plot. I've got an hour and a half until I've got to get to work, so I thought I'd do a bit of digging. All I've done is I've turned the organic matter to below. I've got the soil and compost to the top and dug the first trench, so that is ready to put the potatoes in. And first one I'm going to put in is this salad blue, which is a main crop, and I'm just going to set those out at 3 potatoes, seed potatoes per section. So dig a trough or trench, then I'll backfill with the contents of this one, which enable me to plant into there, and so on and work my way up. So I've got the main crop there to do, and then following that I'm going to do the earlies as well. So I should get this done before work anyway. So I've got the main crop in this section. Labels just about visible there, and then I've started on doing the earlies, which are going in at the moment, variety Twinners, which is a new variety. And again, I'm popping 4 in a trench, fairly well spaced out, and then all I'm doing again is just then digging next trench from here to backfill into this one. And I'm not earthing up this year. I'm just going to have a slight experiment and plant as they are, no earthing up, but just literally get them all planted into their channels, if you like, covered over, so they'll be covered by about a foot of replacement soil. And then once I've leveled it all again, I will then do another layer over the top of some more organic matter, and that will be how I leave the bed for the growing season. As I say, it's a bit of an experiment just to see whether it actually is worth doing the earthing up or not. So watch this space. Anyway, need to get finished planting. There we are. Thought I'd show you the end result. So that's the potatoes all planted, and done a nice thick covering with some more manure. When I say manure, I mean essentially it's straw with some goat and chicken poo in it, but not a lot. But anyway, that's all done, and that's my potatoes finished. And yeah, I suppose it'd be interesting to see how they perform versus the normal time-consuming method that I normally adopt, which is doing all the earthing up. So let's see. So thanks for watching. Hope you find it interesting. Certainly be a bit of a learning exercise for all of us, see whether it is actually worth doing the earthing up, or whether that method is far easier. Any questions, just send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. In the meantime, if you do like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on all the future videos I do. And yeah, just get out there, have some fun, and mind, there you go. See you soon. Bye for now.